So the main point here is about the overlapping of the desire and arousal phase in the sexual response. Let's go to what is clinically an FSAD. For 60% of women, they last between 1 and 6 months. So we know that many things that happen during menopause can trigger, can be the cause of the onset of the arousal problem. About the personality variables, so choose suggest advice on the right lubricants for the different thing, for foreplay, or for external masturbation, for the vibrator, for penetrative sex. The aim is to decrease the anxiety related to the sexual response. And in this case, you see that the partner is very proactive, the partner did everything. So I worked with her about all the psychological issues, because actually this woman was never taking care of herself.